Do you want to add sticker on WhatsApp status? You can put stickers on WhatsApp status with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a sticker to your WhatsApp status. First, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Once you are on WhatsApp, tap on Updates at the bottom of the screen. Now, you will see your friends' statuses and the channels you follow. Tap on Add Status at the top of the screen. A new screen appears with your device's pictures and videos. Select one for your status. Now, at the top of the screen, tap on the sticker icon. Here, you will see all the stickers and emojis that are available. Find and select a sticker that you want to add to your status. You can change the position and size using your two fingers. Once you are ready with your status, tap on the Send button. Now your friends will see your status with the sticker that you added.